The roar of a boat engine is a common sound to a group of Coastal Carolina University grad students, like the gas pedal is to drivers on the road. But this trip is more than one to the grocery store. This road made of water is taking these students out to conduct important research about South Carolina's marine animals.
I think we have a shark on.
This is hook 4?
On hook 4.
These CCU marine biology students dedicate their summers to cruise in the waters of Winyah Bay near Myrtle Beach. The purpose of these trips is to catch, tag, and release sharks. Tagging allows researchers the opportunity to study the movements of these ocean predators and why they like to frequent certain waters over the others.
I'm getting the tag number right now, Caroline. 390056.
So I'll hold her if Alicia want to show her how to do it.
Yeah. So
I made that incision.
You did. Okay. So you're gonna go ahead and put, just like we were talking about before, turn it just a little bit. Yep.
Make
And
sure
then
you're
go ahead
parallel
and
with.
hand and try to
Yeah,
get
a little more
to the
parallel
bottom.
with the shark.
There you go.
Yeah.
And then go on it. And then just spike it like a volleyball.
Harder.
Nice.
The process starts with the baiting of hooks on a long line that is 150 meters long. The line has floats and anchors at both ends. Once the lines are in the water, they soak for 30 to 45 minutes. The students then hand pull the line in, hoping they have a shark on one of the hooks.
Got it. Okay. And then let's turn on the washdown pump and let's just measure her in here. Okay.
We got a PCL of 114,
Okay. 114,
126,
126,
and total length of 156.
156.
And it is a female.
A total of 10 sharks were caught on this trip, but a CCU marine biology graduate student, Meredith Langford, explains there was something different about one shark that was brought up on a long line.
Tail here, we've got the upper lobe of the caudal fin, but the lower lobe is missing.
The caudal fin is the fish's tail, and Langford thinks the lower lobe was lost as the result of a bite. Despite the injury, this female sandbar was tagged, released, and swam away just as feisty as she came on board. Just as the students were pulling in their final line for the day,
Yeah, Jesse, this one's placed the same way we just did ours. Okay.
a recap or recapture. That means this shark was already tagged.
When we get a recapture, first we see if it's one that we tagged or somebody else's, and then we make a note of it in our lab notebook. Then what we'll do is, if it's not a shark that we tagged, we contact either the phone number or the agency so that they can know where their shark has been recaptured, because it may have been captured in another state, may have been captured hundreds of miles away, and so it helps track which area, how far sharks travel.
Lanford says that a shark tracked near Myrtle Beach in March was just tracked off of Jackal Island in Georgia. For more information on the research, just go to Facebook and follow CCU Shark Research Team.